Welcome everybody. So the style hack that I'll be showing today is with the Maxi. Now I've shown the Maxi and how you can wear it as a dress. Today I'm going to show you how even more versatile it is and how it can be a vest. So again, this one is actually one from our inventory, so you could get this and do it yourself. This one, and in case you're wondering, you didn't see, this is a perfect shoe, actually is a fitted, so watch that video if you want to see how to make that happen. Now I will warn you, it looks a little awkward making this happen at first, so be prepared to see awkwardness. But what you're going to do is you gather the skirt, and then you put it up and around your arms, like so, and get your arms through there. And then you bring it here and you kind of just adjust it to how you want. And now I've got a really odd, and that's the tag there, which, you know, if this was yours, you would cut that off and you wouldn't have a tag hanging back there. But now I've got this really gorgeous draped vest that can go with so many things. And I really love the lining of this, I love the length of it, I love how it has this piece. So no one would know that I'm wearing a skirt right now, but this is a maxi skirt as a vest. So I loved this hack, wanted to share with you all. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just comment and let us know. I hope you